Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser first and in the URL box type in netflix.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Netflix. Go and click on the sign in button at the upper right and log into your account if necessary. Once you end up in the home screen of Netflix, go and click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Account. This will take you to your account section. Now, in order to change your password, right next to the password option, you'll be able to see a link that says Change Password. Click it on and on the next page, enter your current password to your account in the first text field. In case you've forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password link and reset your password to a new one. You'll also be able to change your password that way as well. Now, type in the new password that you would like to change to in the text box. Confirm the password by typing it again in the next box. Make sure both of your passwords in the text boxes matches. If it does not, you won't be able to change your password. Now you have an option to make all the other devices that are connected to your Netflix account to sign in again with the new password, or if you'd like to do so, you can check this box. If not, leave it unchecked and click on save in order to change your password on Netflix. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your passwords on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.